Reb Shia, bist bereit für ein Interview?
Ich bin bereit, Baruch Hashem.
Und jetzt gehen wir es machen in Jiddisch oder in English?
Let's do it in English. Everyone should understand.
Everyone should understand. Ich muss keinem auslassen. Yeah, guys, I'm here with Reb Shia Getter from the famous Getter group from Etzisru. He came here to Chitzrus a few days and he wanted to meet me. He probably saw I advertised lately a few projects that's going on at Etzisru. What's the story? It looks like a lot of people are looking to buy in Etzisru lately. You see like there's a certain hype, even with the Melchumah, with the ganze Masse.
And what's interesting, yeah, you're right, that many people want to buy in Etzisru, and now, B'shas Melchumah, it's even more, the demand is even stronger than usual. I'm here for a few days. I was so busy from one to the next. Everyone wants to have part in Etzisru, more than ever.
Wow, unbelievable. First of all, your accent sounds like a bit from London. Bist du von London oder bist du in Etzisru? Wie kommst du?
I'm from England, brought up in London, and I moved to Etzisru 20 years ago.
Wow, geweldig. Wie wil je me weg? Which area? Where do you live?
I live in Ganegula area where many Chitzlozdige people live.
Okay, Reb Shia, let's dive into our interview. So, Reb Shia, if you could introduce yourself, your company, the Getter Group. I know you have a lot of employees and pretty famous in Etzisru. Tell us exactly what your business is all about.
Yes, so I'm the CEO of the Getter Group. I have 9 employees that work for me in Etzisru. I have office here in America as well. The office is in Lakewood. We represent people to make sure their rights and interests are protected and that they get best value for their money. Our goal is that when someone wants to buy in Etzisru, we first try to understand exactly what he's looking for. We make sure he gets the best deal, which is the most suitable for him. We guide them, help them through the whole process from the beginning until the end.
Geweldig. Why can't I just call up the person that I see advertised in the local papers with a project in Yerushalayim, a project in Tzfas, a project in Tveri? Why can't I just call up directly that person?
So if you see an ad and you call the agent of that ad, so that agent will explain to you why you should buy specifically in that project. He won't tell you about any other projects that's available. We're familiar with all projects in Etzisru, Yerushalayim, Tzfas, Netanya, Tveria, Bet Shemesh. We know them all. We'll understand according to what you're looking for to find you the most suitable project for yourself. And even within the project itself, you have to know how to choose your dira. How do you know from a huge project which dira is the best? So this will help you choose your project.
Wow, you see, it's a little bit different. But us in Lakewood, how it works is that every agent can sell you any project. You don't have to be a specific listing agent. But let's leave that aside. So other than choosing the right project, which is, I'm sure it's very important, as probably you call it probably a buyer's agent, right? Is that the...
Yes.
What else does your company do? I'm sure you have more services than just helping out choosing a certain project.
Yes. So we help people choosing. We help them with the money transfers. We help them with the mortgages. And in each step that we help our clients, in each step they save enormous amounts of money.
For example, how do they save money for, let's say, transferring money? I'm sure there's a lot of ways to do it, but I'm sure there's expensive ways people don't know.
Exactly. Transferring money, knowing how to do the transfer in the right time, who to use for the transfer, that can make a huge difference in the amount of money that a person will pay for the transfer. Mortgages, knowing how to negotiate with the bank, to understand which mortgage to take. There's so many different mortgages that you could take. What should I choose? In Israel, there's an interest which is linked to inflation. People don't realize it. Sounds cheap, but it's very expensive because it's linked to inflation. People don't have that.
So what do you do? What do you come to the picture to make it cheaper for your clients?
We negotiate with the bank, and we have negotiation power. I have so many clients behind me. The banks know me, and I get very good deals for our clients. 0.2% could make thousands of dollars of difference in over the course of the loan.
Wow. What's doing? I know a lot of times the projects can take up to 3 years, 4 years. What's doing with somebody has to check if the things were done right, and then selecting the designing the house and choosing the certain for the upgrades. Are you also involved in that?
Correct. All these things, there's so many small details that go along the service. That's even most of our clients only understand when they finish the process, they realize how much the Getter Group has done for them. And that's why I have a whole booklet of testimonials with pictures of my clients that really want to spread the word that anyone who wants to buy in Etzisru should only buy through the Getter Group.
Wow.
So we help people with the designing. We bring a designer. But when the project is finished, when the apartment is already built, we bring an engineer to check to make sure that everything was done according to coding. And if it wasn't done the way it's supposed to be, we give a report. We'll fight with the company to make sure that they fix the things they need to fix.
Wow.
Also, when it comes to rentals, we'll guide and advise the person if they should do long-term rentals, if they should do short-term rentals, how they should manage their apartment. It's all things that will guide the people.
Wow, unbelievable. Because I have so many people that ask me, like, who's a good person that can take care of everything? I don't want to go down to Israel every so often, every few weeks, and check on my project. Gewaldig, Reb Shia, what's the phone number to call if somebody wants? What's your local number to call if somebody wants to reach out to your for your services?
So the local USA office number is 732-806-0816. Again, 732-806-0816, and the email of the local office is cco@thegettergroup.com.
Gewaldig, shkoyach.